Get my angles. We back. You miss me? You miss me? I got another video for you, okay? This last video, my Xbox mod video, that's blowing up a little bit, okay? So I wanted to come back with a little bit of an adjustment, refinement, make it a little bit better and clarify some things, okay? People in the comment section saying that they breaking the controllers and it's my fault. Hold. Pause, okay? That's not my fault. Told you, you gotta go nice and slow. And it's at your own risk. So yeah, want to do those adjustments, and I got a new controller to do it on. This is it right here. You see that? Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. This is what we're going to be doing. Just a slight adjustment, all right? I'm not going to show you how to take this controller apart because I already did that. So I'll go ahead and put that video somewhere right here or in the description as well. Watch that. Also see my past mods, like, subscribe if you want to, you know? So if you're interested in this, you want to know how to do this, watch the rest of this video or skip ahead to the juicy, spicy parts, all right? Let's get into it. The green filter, blue filter. Look at this. Crazy! So crazy. So to connect these, we're gonna keep it simple. Ain't no time to waste, ain't no need to get fancy with it. Got some good old-fashioned tape right here. Here we go. Just gonna lay it on top of each other. Oh my goodness. There it is. Voila. We taped this up already. We're good to go. Now we just got to put it in the controller. I just had to show you this real quick. You see this? You see this? Honorable mention. The internals on this thing crazy. Where's our rose gold controller? Xbox. Come on. All right, so here you go. When you get here, you're going to lift up this first motherboard. And this gives you access to all the buttons in here. This is the new way. This is the new. We're going to take out the home button and just glue it directly to the back, and I'll show you that right now. Oh, wrong button. All right, let me slide this out. See that? Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Now we're gonna glue this right here, and I'll show you that right now. There it is. That's the home button right there, and that's our gel filter that we're gonna attach. Just super gluing it to the back real quick. This is the little logo glue we got that we're gonna be using. Got my little brush right here. I'm gonna just go ahead and put glue right here on these parts. This is where we're gonna be making some contact, first man on the moon. All we're gonna do is center this out. Mistakes were made and that's okay, all right? I could have wore gloves. I could have wore protection, not this time. All glued up now, okay? And that's the nice thing about super glue. It glues your fingers together, but it also dries really fast. We're ready to put it back in the Xbox. Here's the home button. I'm gonna slide it in right here, underneath this pad, because we gotta get it right there. We seen that? We focus, here we go. Hopefully he yanks it in. Come on, stop catching right there. All right, and he made it. There it is, all lined up. But if it wasn't lined up, all right, so now it's not even. All you gotta do is spin that until it's even and now it falls through. Everything's lined up. Make sure all the buttons are lined up as well before you put this back together. So that's the deal, that's the new process. All I gotta do is put this back together and I'm gonna show you the final result. And we'll be right back in a quick second, okay? Cut the camera. Tell me if you think that's blue or turquoise. I'm thinking it's a little bit more blue. It's messed up, I was going for turquoise, but it is what it is, I ain't mad at it. That's how she goes right there. That's the custom, the mod, whatever you want to call it. We done, finito. I think it came out good. You let me know though in the comment section, and hopefully this helps with anybody that does try to do this. You go nice and slow. I don't want no more broken controllers, okay? I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. I still got that 5-minute mile if you guys want to hop over there too. We gonna get there. Until next time, guys, yeah? I'm gonna see you. Perfect fit. All right, here it is, baby. Go ahead. Let me see this. You recording here?